Hello, my architectural drawing and design class and my advanced drawing and design class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do curved walls in Revit. Neat little feature. This little project I was kind of playing around with, having a good time in Revit. And I thought I'd show you all how to make a curved wall because maybe not everything you want is going to have a square wall. So, how do we do a curved wall? I'll kind of give you a 3D view of what it's going to look like when we're done. Just a curved wall. You'll be able to put windows in if you like later. So first thing we need to do is come up here to we'll get back into level 2. I'm just going to go ahead and create some walls real quick. Yeah, we can go ahead and save project. That's fine. I hadn't saved it recently. Okay, real quick. Put some walls in. Exciting. All right. I'm going to pan over to here so I can see what I'm doing. All right. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut a corner off of this thing because that's where we're going to have this curved wall show up. So I'm going to come to model line. I am going to grab a line here. We're going to bring this in about yay far. And get myself on 45 degrees. So I want to have a nice curve here. Perfect. Now, I'm going to come back over here to split items. I want to go ahead and cut this wall. There. I'll cut it here. Oh, I don't like where I put this. So I'll do that real quick. Once again, I'll cut. I'll go right off the center. That's fine. Right off the center. That's fine. Much better. All right. And then let's just get rid of these two real quick. And I can get rid of my reference line. There you go. So this is where we're going to put the curve. What we're doing is we have to mask this and then create a form. And then we can create a wall onto the form itself. So we're going to come over here to masking and site. We're going to click mask in place. Now you may have had an error come up saying, hey, we have to go into masking. Just say okay. And then we can give this thing a name. We're going to call this thing sweep wall. Fine. And let's go ahead and draw this thing. So what I'm going to do is come up here to my draw. This is going to be a model line. And I'm just going to do an arc here. I'm going to go right off this corner, come to this corner. And I want to bring it out. So if you look below my cursor here, you see this 90 degrees. That's what I want, nice sweeping 90-degree wall. It will fit in perfectly because I'm dealing with 90-degree corners here. Now, what I need to do is, I'm going to escape out of that. Before I finish my mask, let's come back here and just select this line. And what I need to do is turn this into a form. Otherwise, what I'm sitting here with at the moment is a line. You can see this down here. Just set this real quick. You can see I have just this line. I need to turn this into a form. So I'm going to create the form. You can see now we have a form. Let's go ahead and orbit this again. Neat little form. I believe my wall goes up to 2, or I don't know. We'll have to see where what those go up to real quick so that we can properly do this. But now that we have this as a form, I will finish my mask. You're going to get this error. Mask contains only a mesh geometry, which cannot be computed for mass floors, volumes, or surface area. Absolutely fine. Don't worry about it because we're eventually going to get rid of this. So now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab my wall, but from the wall, grab the drop down and do wall by face. And then all we have to do, we're grabbing the wall by face. We need to get that line right there. So let's come back here to our 3D view and I click it and there I am. Press escape. I now have a curved wall. It's about half the size of this one. Let's see where these ones go up to. This one goes up to level 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with this one. It's unconnected. We're going to go up to level 2. There we go. I now have that. I'm going to get rid of that initial geometry that I talked about before. And here I go. I now have, grab this. I now have a curved wall that is at the same height as my other walls. And from here, you can go ahead and put windows in, things like that, like I did if you like. So I hope this little video helps explain how to do curved walls in Revit.